If I hand you a physical $10 bill, you have it and I don't. But what happens when money goes digital? If it's just a computer file, what stops me from copy-pasting it and spending it twice? That's the double spend problem. For decades, banks solved this by acting as a middleman, keeping a private master notebook, tracking who has what. But cryptocurrency asks a radical question. What if we replaced the bank with math? Today, we are cutting through the crypto hype to show you exactly how the mechanics work. First, we eliminate the middleman. Imagine a room full of people, everyone holding an identical notebook. When Alice wants to send Bob $5, she shouts it to the room. Everyone checks their book. Does Alice have $5? Yes, she has it, so everyone writes the transaction down. This is a decentralized ledger. No single boss, just group consensus. But here's the catch. What stops someone from erasing a line in Bob's book while he's not looking? How do we make this notebook tamper-proof? Enter cryptographic hashing. Think of a hash as an unforgeable digital fingerprint. A hash function is a math algorithm that takes data, a single word, or an entire encyclopedia, and crushes it into a fixed string of letters and numbers. Two rules make this magic work. First, it's a strict one-way street. You can't reverse engineer the hash to find the original data. Second, it's hypersensitive. Hash the word hello and you get one fingerprint, hello, where H is capital. Now change it to a lowercase h and the fingerprint completely transforms. Even a single changed comma alters the output entirely. Let's bring that back to our shared notebook. As Alice and Bob transact, those records fill up a page or a block. Once full, it must be permanently sealed. To seal block 2, the system takes all this data plus the unique digital fingerprint of block 1 and hashes them together. This is the chain. Every page is mathematically glued to the one before it. So if a hacker tries to sneak into block 1 and change a transaction, block 1's fingerprint instantly changes. Because block 2 relied on that original fingerprint, block 2 is now broken. And block 3, tampering with history, instantly sets off a network-wide mathematical alarm. Because the link is broken, the chain is broken. But wait. Modern computers are ridiculously fast. Couldn't a hacker alter a record, then use a supercomputer to instantly recalculate all the hashes and cover their tracks? That means rebuild the chain quickly before anyone notices. Can it be done? Yes. That's why the system creates an artificial speed bump called proof of work. The network demands that a new block's hash must start with, say, 10 zeros. Because hashes are totally unpredictable, there's no shortcut formula. Computers just have to guess millions of times a second until they get lucky. Now, this is crypto mining, a massive guessing game that burns electricity and money. By the time a hacker recalculates a fake chain, the honest network has already built a longer valid chain. The honest network has figured out that the chain was broken. And that's it. Cryptocurrency isn't magic. It's an elegant combination of shared ledgers, digital fingerprints, and calculated effort. Two strangers can exchange value without trusting a middleman, and without trusting each other. They just trust the math. Hit subscribe for more no hype explainers, and I'll see you in the next one.